Fires are still burning at the site of two massive explosions in the Chinese city of Tianjin, some 36 hours after the blasts. Military chemical experts are testing for toxic gases and rescuers have been told to wear protective clothing. At least 56 people died and more than 720 were injured, 25 critically and 33 seriously, in the explosions late on Wednesday evening, officials said. But search teams did find one survivor in the debris early on Friday. The man pulled from the rubble 32 hours after the blast was named as 19-year-old firefighter Zhou Ti. State-run news agency Xinhua reported 21 firefighters are reported to be among the dead and several more are missing. Fire crews were already at the site when the explosions took place, having been called out after reports of a container fire. Tianjin's fire department chief Zhou Ti told reporters that more than 1,000 firefighters and 140 fire engines were at the site on Friday. The Tianjin Port Group company said dozens of its employees remained unaccounted for, according to Xinhua.